In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Adobe Acrobat online. If you want the Acrobat interface to appear in your preferred language, this is a quick setting you can update directly from your browser. The process is simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. For this walkthrough, make sure you're using Google Chrome and that you're already signed into your Adobe Acrobat online account. To begin, open Chrome and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Once the page loads, give it a second to fully display your workspace. This helps make sure all menus and account options are available before you continue. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Adobe places your account-related options, including personal settings and preferences. If you don't immediately see the menu you're expecting, wait for the drop-down to open completely so you can clearly view the available choices. From that drop-down menu, select Settings or Preferences, depending on what your version displays. Adobe sometimes uses slightly different wording, but both lead you to the area where account and interface options are managed. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a page where you can adjust how Acrobat Online works for your account. Now, find the Language Options panel. This section controls the display language of the user interface, which means menus, labels, and other on-screen elements can be shown in the language you're most comfortable using. Take a moment here to make sure you're changing the correct setting, especially if there are multiple regional or accessibility preferences shown on the page. When you found the language section, open the list of available languages and select your preferred native language. Be careful to choose the exact option you want, since some languages may include regional variations. Picking the right one can make the interface feel much more natural and easier to navigate. After that, click Save. This confirms the change and refreshes the user interface so the new language can be applied. Depending on your connection or browser session, the update may happen right away, or the page may briefly reload. Once the refresh is complete, you should see Acrobat Online displayed in the language you selected. If the language doesn't seem to change immediately, try refreshing the page manually in Chrome and check again. And that's it. You've successfully updated the language in Adobe Acrobat Online, making the platform easier and more comfortable to use.